Hello and welcome to the channel. The lily season begins with short Asiatics and TA hybrids. So this small one is called Ilsa, and the pink one with a white center is called Hula Bibi or Lollipop. This yellow one is Golden Matrix, and the orange is normal Matrix, and this is Tiny W. And of course, I still forgot to weed all the weeds out, so I have to pull this one out. You can see that the other plants have nice buds, and this one is a TA hybrid. I have to check the name because I don't know all the names, of course. Why would I? So this one is Bataleon. It's a nice one, and soon I'm going to get rid of this Cirsium. Meanwhile, I have nice buds on the Regale and the Regale album, and there are some not so good stems. Still some flowers on apricot fudge, and purple marble is going to bloom soon. And this nice one is graffiti, LA graffiti. Thank you, Juji. She gave it to me. And as you can see, I applied a herbicide which is working, but it also twisted the stems of the oleums. Oleum giganteum is not gigantic this year, and I also have to pick the spent flowers of the other oleums. This one is Lilium candidum from Turkey, and it's going to bloom soon. Corsage is blooming really nicely, and Trésor is nice also. Oh, and I have seeds of Allium fistulosum. So you can also see here the weeds, they're very twisted. I use the Auxin analog herbicide. So lovely double Asiatics, dwarf Asiatics, and a lot of slugs. As you can see, slugs ate the tepals. This is a lovely TA hybrid. Oh, and Smelda, nice cultivar. These are opening up. Lovely Tango hybrid. I have buds on the seedlings too, and the lovely pink gladiolus. Golden Matrix again. Tiny W. Also buds on the other seedlings. And weeding, always weeding. Lovely flowers. This one has a virus infection, you can see the color breaking, but they look nice. Still flowers, and my mother doesn't care about viruses, so really nice. This is a good LA. Look how nice pink this cultivar is. This is Predosa, getting the end of Predosa. Lovely yellow cocotte, and this one, Trezor again. Londini is going to bloom soon. Which one is this? Forehand. And which one is this? Ugh. No, it's not Bach. It's not Dynamics either. What's the name? Oh, I have to dig in. Deep cross court. So this one is cross court. And this one is Escape. And lovely, lovely lilies. There is the name tag. This is Double Love. And this one is Yellow Rapid. And you can see Tiny Bee has been eaten by the slugs pretty well. So, not bad. What's this? Party Diamond. Also has some virus, you can see the color breaking. Okay, let's continue the journey. I have all my Pinellia in flower, so it's quite nice. Green stinkers. And I have the Hippastralia Durga Pradhan in flower. And the lovely Timus Precox and Edis Louisiana Black Gamecock. Very nice. I have some aphid infestation on the buds here, but they'll be alright. They'll be alright. And I still have to collect some buds for tissue culture, but how nice the yuccas are. And the telosperma here, there. And the Iris chrysographus finished flowering. And there are weeds everywhere, because why not? I love this horsetail, it's my favorite one. So there's a lot to do, as always, in a garden. And this is a weed. Unfortunately, someone packed weed seeds instead of normal seeds, which is a shame. But I'm not surprised after all these years working in horticulture. The Orientals didn't fare well in the winter, so they died out usually, most of them. This one is Henrietta, Clematis Henrietta, and this is, I believe, is Gladiolus vulcano. And this one is the flower of Cosmos Peucedani flamingo and the Hippastralia. I keep the seeds this year because I would like to donate them. And still some Xanthodacia flowers. This is an old inflorescence, this is a new one. I love this cultivar. My grandmother loved it too. So, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.